How to pay Lowe's credit card online. What is up everyone? In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily pay for your Lowe's credit card online. For that, you first need to open up your web browser, click on the search bar and simply search for Lowe's credit card. Hit enter. Then you'll get to this page for My Lowe's Rewards. Just go ahead and click on this, or you could just find it on My Credit Card section when you log into your account. And once you get to this page, you're going to have to look for Pay and Manage Account. So all you have to do is find that once you sign in, and if you scroll down, you should be able to log into your account. And if you want to pay as guest, you can use the Synchrony's guest payment page. So in order to do that, you could just go ahead and search for Synchrony. So just search for this, hit enter, and then all you have to do is just go ahead and add Lowe's credit card and hit enter. Now you should be able to get to this page right here and then add your card details and then pay as a guest. And the next step is to choose the payment details, so you can choose your amount, whether you want a minimum or full balance, and you can see your payment dates as well. So that's how you basically pay for your Lowe's credit card online. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.